Okay, so I have, for my transformation today, I want to try to style this hat. Where is it? It kind of just looks like a wannabe bucket hat. So I wanted to do a little transformation look with this hat as my inspo. Yep, let's see what we can do. I had originally saved this video of this girl who did her hair, right? Because I thought it was really cute. But when I went to Walgreens, I totally forgot to get little ponytails. So I'll have to improvise.
I've been up this early in a long time. I started thinking, man. Either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about what's going on in the hood. Turned on the TV this morning. Had this shit on about living in a violent world.
Get my tribe involved. A lot of cats talk loud, but they ain't live at all. Sideline chat, but hush when it's time to ball. Said you was wild and all, I'm surprised at y'all. You can have 1,000 rhymes, 1,000 nines, 1,000 shines. Rock with 1,000 dimes. Me on BET screens like 1,000 times. But wait up, you get pound, ain't an ounce of mine. Get down for mine, on air seeing ground for mine. I make the ghetto rock skate through the ground for mine. Pull down your blind, but shade don't out my shine. Everything from Bangkok to Booktown is mine. Say Black Star, and great things sprout to mine. Full moons and starry nights, new life and true light. Desert plains and ancient names, cinematic classic frames. Beautiful and fantastic things. Mighty Moses Super Quad gon' handle things. So much on my mind, I just can't recline. Blasting holes in the night till she bless sunshine. Breathe in and hell vapors from bright stars that shine. Breathe out, weed smoke, we trace the skyline. Heard the bass ride out like an ancient mating call. I can't take it, y'all. I can feel the city breathing, chest heaving against the flesh of the evening. Sober for a die like the last train leaving.
possibly defeat me? Why are you here? Are you trying to throw away the life you so narrowly managed to keep? As I recall, you once said, there are no lords worth risking your life for.
So how does this top look?
Options to get you a surprisingly great rate. Rock on. Like the good neighbors, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for an Everton. You may know Tyson. Heavyweight champion of the world. But do you know Mike? They'll love you as much as they fear you. Mike, series premiere August 25th.
I just wanted to see how it would look without the hat. If it's the hat, that's looking good. If it's the earrings. Got these really pretty earrings too. Those ones are really pretty too. Those look really pretty too. We can go to an art museum. We can go on a date. We can go on a night walk. We can go to a boat. We can go to the market. We can go blueberry picking. We can do anything. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and got a little bit of inspiration. Maybe this will inspire you to wear a hat today. And I'm excited to go get little ponytails so I could try the hair look that I actually wanted to try. So I will see you guys later, and thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed my transformation. Halloween's around the corner. Alrighty, love you, bye.